In this video, I'll show you how to change lock screen picture and wallpaper in Windows 11 or PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If any reasons you love to do this, click on this right, click on the settings. Once you've clicked on the settings, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this personalizations, right? You're going to see this lock screen, click on the lock screen, and this is the lock screen. Now for you to be able to change your lock screen picture or wallpaper, you're going to at first personalize your lock screen on the picture, right? So you can come on here, you can choose any picture of your choice. So look here, you can see this, right? So if your screen is on lock screen, this is what is going to appear right here. So you can change any picture you want, right? Or you can still browse your photos from your album, right? From your PC library. You can select any image you want of your choice. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the very next one.